Welcome back everyone. Now that you have learned how to make burrata at home, I'm going to show you how to use this burrata to create a beautiful salad. You can use any leaves of your choice. Arugula goes best with it, but I'm using something that's easily available. I have some spinach leaves plucked freshly from my kitchen garden. We're going to be using burrata, of course. And we have some fruits here. Fruits go really well with the salad. And of course, we have some stuff for the dressing. So let's begin. So the rule of making a salad always is to prepare the dressing and keep it aside in the beginning. So first, in a mixing bowl, I'm taking some olive oil. This is extra virgin olive oil. Into that, I'll mix some balsamic vinegar. So the ratio is going to be 1:1, equal amounts of olive oil and balsamic vinegar. Next, I'm adding some honey. I'm using raw organic honey here. You can use any honey that you like. You must keep in mind that in order to have a good salad, your dressing has to be perfect. That means you need to get a perfect balance of sweet, sour, and salt. I'm using about 1.5 teaspoons of honey. The next ingredient is some mustard sauce. You can use any brand you like. This basically adds a spicy zing to the dressing. If for some reason you don't like mustard, you can always add some black pepper. Add in some salt to taste. Now for every person, the taste can differ. Some people like their salad sweeter, some people like it on the sour side. So you can always change the ratios, that's completely fine. Just mix it and keep it aside. Next, I'm cutting bell peppers into long thin pieces. Some peach, I'm keeping the skin of the peach. Then with a knife, I'm just removing the peel of sweet lime. That's the bitter part. Then I'm going to take out only the pulp. I don't even want the soft peel to remain. So I'm going to take out only the pulp. Yes, I know it can get a little messy, but trust me, it tastes amazing. After all the cutting is done, I'm drizzling the dressing that we had prepared on the spinach leaves. One very important tip here is to only add the dressing at the time of serving. Do not add it in advance because the salt in the dressing is going to make it soggy. Toss it, making sure to coat all the leaves well. And then let's get to plating. Place the spinach leaves on your plate. Add the bell peppers and peaches. And then place the burrata on top of the salad. Drizzle some balsamic glaze. If you wish, you can puncture the burrata before serving, or you can just let your guests do it. It's totally your choice. Also add in the sweet lime. And that's how easy it was to make this beautiful burrata salad. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe. And if you try making this at home, do share your comments below to let us know your experience. Till then, happy eating!